an ambling nymph, that I'm detailed of this fair proportion, cheated of feature by dissembling nature, deformed, unfinished, sent before my time into this breeding world, skirts half made up, and that so lamely and unfashionable that dogs bark at me as I halt by them. Why in this weak, piping time of peace, have no delight to pass away the time, unless to spy my shadow in the sun, and descant on mine own deformity. And therefore, since I cannot prove a lover to entertain these fair, well-spoken days, I am determined to prove a villain, and hate the idle pleasures of these days.